This video demonstrate how to create Debian package for OpenStack python-heatclient project using Jenkins. So for this demo, I am going to use Ubuntu 13.10. So I am going to first I am going to install Jenkins. So I will show you how to install Jenkins in Ubuntu 13.10. Let me access it to that virtual. I am using a virtual machine for this demo. Okay, then I am following this wiki. I am following this wiki to install Jenkins. So let me copy this. So the next command, sudo apt-get install Jenkins. This command will install Jenkins. So right now it's updating the repository. After this command, I think if you go to localhost :8080, you can see the console of dashboard of Jenkins. Okay, update done. Okay, let me install Jenkins. So this need to get 105 MB of archives, so this will take time. Okay, installation completed. Let me go to the Jenkins dashboard. So it's working. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. Okay, so now you can see the Jenkins dashboard here. So if you want to add new job, you can do like this: new items, then give the name for the job, for example job 1, then select this, build a freestyle software project. Okay, then fill all these informations and apply and save. Then go back to dashboard. Here we can see the new jobs. Not build. So if you want to build this particular job, click on that job and here click build now, so that will build that job. So here you can see the status of build process success. Okay, so let me delete this job. So before creating a job, we need to install plugins. So one second. So I am going to install this GitHub plugin. So I will show you how to do that. Go to Jenkins dashboard, then go to this manage Jenkins, click on that. Then here we can see manage. So manage Jenkins, manage plugins, click on that. Then here we can see the installed plugins, the then available plugins here, then updates. For these plugins the updates are available. So select available plugins, then search for GitHub. GitHub plugin. Okay, here we can see GitHub plugin. Select, install without restart, click on that. So here you can see the status. So installing GitHub API plugin, SSH credential plugin, Git client plugin, SCM API plugin, credentials plugin, Git plugin, GitHub plugin. Okay, here you can see the status. So let's click on this, restart Jenkins when installation is completed and no jobs are running. So after that I will show you how to create a build Debian package build job. So for that we need to create a GitHub repository. So let me do that. It's going on. Go to OpenStack GitHub OpenStack Python heat client. So I am going to create a build Debian package build job for this OpenStack project. So let me fork this project. Fork. Okay, you can see the URL here, such a PTP and then python-heatclient. So after that where is that? Okay, right now it has only one branch, master branch. So let me clone this. One second, let me check the status. So it's still installing. Okay, let it go. So go to here, let me create a one directory, build test, then go to the directory. So here I am going to clone Python, clone the Python heat client project from my GitHub account. Okay, so here you can see that. Go there. Okay, go back. So I cloned the source code of Python heat client project. So I need a Debian packaging script in order to create a Debian package for that particular project. So to get that packaging script, what I am going to do is I am going to this Ubuntu cloud.archive.canonical.com link. So then here I can find the Python heat client project. We go to P, then search for heat client. Okay, here you can see the Python heat client project. Click on that. Then in this list you can see one file like this .dsc file. So let's copy the link. then go to here. Let me create a one more directory here, for example download. Go to that one and then type this dget, then that .dsc file. So actually we need to install this package. Sudo apt-get install devscripts. So let me go to Jenkins Dashboard. What happened? Still installing. So right now installing this devscripts. Then I have to do dget, then that dsc file. Okay, install devscript, then run this command again. So it's telling signature failed. That's okay. Anyway, so after this command will download these two packages, this one and this one. So this is the actual Python heat client project. This is the Debian script, packaging script, packaging script. Let me extract this one. Do ls. So here we can see one Debian folder. So if you extract this, you can see the folder named Python heat client. Let me extract that also, so you can see plus. So here you can see the folder Python heat client and Debian. So let me check what is inside Debian folder. So there you can see the packaging script, changelog, control, roles, all those things. So if you check the Python heat client, what is inside that file, that folder, you can see the actual code and I of Python heat client. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will move this Debian folder from here to my GitHub. So I want to copy this too. So let me go to my somewhere here. I cloned the GitHub Python client, right? Let me go to this folder. Actually this folder I cloned from my GitHub account. So if you type git remote -v, you can see the actual remote location of this repository. So right now here only one branch, so I am going to create one new branch named packaging. Okay, so I am going to create a new branch packaging. So I created a new branch. Let me run git branch so you can see the new branch packaging. Okay, so then right now there is no change. Okay, let me copy that Debian folder to here. So right now if you check, type ls, right now there is no Debian folder. So let me copy a Debian folder to here. Sorry, cp minus r, because that's a folder. Okay, I copied that folder here, then type git status. So then I to add that folder, git add debian. Okay, then git commit debian. So we need to add these things. Okay, then do git commit debian minus m added debian packaging script. Okay, so I add. Okay, if you go to my GitHub account, there is no packaging, right? So I need to push that package branch to here. So for that I have to execute this command, git push origin packaging. You can enter your credential. Okay, done. So you can see the packaging branch here. Let me refresh. Okay, here you can see the packaging branch code there. So here you can see the Debian folder. Okay, that's done. So we created a repository, GitHub repository for building the Debian package. Let me go to Jenkins console. So it's still still installing. Let me refresh. I think it's done. Okay, manage plugins. Install. Available. Okay, I think it's installed. So go back to dashboard. So I'm going to create a Debian package build job. So go to, so actually here I mentioned how to do that. So go to this console, Jenkins console, and click on this new item. So here give a name, Python heat client package, and select this first option, then OK. Okay, then in this window you have to select this cheat, source code management. Let me go to the here, then select cheat, select cheat here. Then here we need to enter the repository link. Actually this link, just copy this and put it here. Okay, then here we need to enter the credential to access or log into this account. So add, click on add, then select this one, then username, then password. Okay, and so you can see that here, and select that, then scroll down there. You need to type, you can either, I think this is fine, star.master is fine, leave it like that. Then under additional behavior section, select this one, then upgraded download session, check out to subdirectory. Here you can see one option, check out to subdirectory. Okay, here we need to give the build. So why we need to give this? While running this packaging process, this will create a folder named build, and it will clone the project from GitHub to that particular folder, and then it will do all these packaging things. So that's why we need this folder. That's the use of that one. Actually Jenkins will going to use that folder. Okay, then strategy of choosing what to build. So select it again, then you can see, I think, strategy of choosing what to build. So leave default. So we added two new options here. One is checkout to a subdirectory, then strategy for choosing what to build. Then scroll down, and in the build trigger section, select this, build when changes is push to GitHub. That's okay. Then here we can see, I think, add build step, right? Build section, there is a build section is there, right? Here, and click on this button, add build step. There we can see execute shell, click on that. So you can see one test box like this. So there we need to put this code, this script. So I will explain what this script, what's the meaning of this thing. So it is a remove, it will remove all. If you run again any, if there is any Debian file as part of previous build process, it will remove that. Then it will go to the build directory. What that, I think you remember that here we specified one directory name, right? So it will go to that particular directory, cd2 build. Then it will check for this packaging branch. If it's not there, it will create that, and then it will check out that branch, then run this packaging command. Actually this command is very important. This is going to build the package dpkg build package -b. So this is a main statement. So after that we'll push the changes back to the packaging branch. So I think here one process is missing. Okay, I think this is enough. Actually one rebase, let me comment this. So I'm not going to push this thing. So actually we can do one rebase with master here before building this package, then we can push. Actually I removed that rebase code here, so I'm not going to push the changes, push the things back to the packaging bank. So I just commented this line. This is enough. Okay, so after that scroll down, there is a add post build session here. Select this option and put star dot file there. Okay. Then apply and save. Then click on this back to dashboard, so you can see your packaging job here. Click on that. Then here you can, if you click on this button build now, it will start build the package. Before that, so if you want to change the configuration, click on this configure option and it will go to the previous window and you can make the changes and save it. Okay, then here you can see one, this is changes, you can see workspace here. So right now there is no workspace, so we need to run build, then you can see the workspace. So let me run the build process. So I'm going to click on this button. Okay, here we can see the build. So building started the process. So then if you go to workspace, you can see the workspace. So it's created one folder named build. There is sort of, it's cloned the packages from project from the GitHub. So here you can see the all files which are cloned from the GitHub. Debian folder is there, a lot of other things are there. If you want to download this by workspace, you can download the workspace in zip file format. Okay, let me check what is the status of this build. Actually this build failed. So if we click on this button, you can see the log. Here you can see the log. So what's the error? So it's telling that it's failed to install these packages. So let me copy those packages and we install those things. Sudo apt-get install, unable to locate Python mockx. So let me remove that. Try to install other. Okay. For only for this one, python-mox 3, I need to install that separately. So I'll show you how to do that. Only for that I have to download wget, that one, then to install. So this command is not found. Is it still in GW? So let me install this. Okay. Okay, it's done. So let me go to Jenkins Dashboard again. Back to project. So this first build post build task failed. Let me try it again. So you can see the second one is error. Think that also failed. Click on that. You can see that you need to install this packages also. Python all. Okay, let me run the build process again. It's failed again. So let me check what is deb helper. So we need to install that. So I haven't mentioned it. So okay, we need to install these packages actually. It's already there. Then deb helper. Okay, done. So let me run it again. Okay, I think this time success. Here you can see the success. So if you click on that, you can see the messages are here. So here you can see the log, the script. So here you can see the user who is running this. Then it's create building in the workspace. Then fetching, it's cloning the project from the GitHub. Okay, you can see all these things. Then it's running the script. So it's removing the package and cd to build. Check out the packaging branch. You can see then it's running dpkg build package -b. Then you can see that process. Then it's doing a lot of things. Then here you can see build. It's copying files from the clone project to build Linux. These things, I think these are the part of setup.py install. Then lot of things. Then finally you can see the status success. Okay, then go back to the project. So here you can see the Debian package which we built. So here from this link you can download the package we built. So let's click on that link. So it will ask for download. Okay, sorry, download to a save file. Sorry, open with save it to save it to download folder. So let me copy this link, then let me download, create one more folder here, build result, insert to that wget. We can see that package here. Okay, actually let me do it in my machine, my host machine. Then go to that folder, then extract that. So you can see the structure of that folder. Then this is a package user. Then you can see bin folder /usr bin. There you can see one heat file. So this file is using for CLI. Heat client CLI is using this file /bin /usr bin. Okay, then usr bin is there, then lib is there, python 2.7, disk packages. Then here you can see a file, then heat client project. Here you can see the actual code. Common, all those things. Then go back to usr, then share folder. There you can see doc, then I share. Okay, the one thing I want to tell you is you can see this folder like usr bin then heat, but if you go to this packaging script, I actually in my git GitHub account, I just uploaded this Python heat client packaging script, the same script which I downloaded from uh, the Ubuntu site. If you analyze this file, we cannot see any statement which creating this usr bin heat file. Actually, then how it's get created is, if you go to the source code of Python heat client project, I mean, for example here, and go to this setup.cfg file. There you can see one entry like this: entry point console under script is equal to heat client shell dot me. So actually this particular line is creating that file and that folder usrs bin heat with the help of one pbr package. So this pbr is actually a part of OpenStack project. So I also here I think I mentioned that here I mentioned that link. You can see doc.openstack.developer/pbr. So if we go to this link, here you can see. So if you specify something like this, entry point console script is equal to pbr is equal to, so in this case what this will do is this will create a under slash usr bin. This will create a file named pbr, and that file will um, contain what, something like, so in this case I will explain this with this. In this case, this line will create a file slash usr bin heat. So that file name is coming from this value heat. So that will point to the main method inside this file heat client dot shell dot main. So that I will show you where is this heat client dot shell. We go to here you can see heat client shell dot py. Then here you can see one main method. So this main, it will point to this. Let me check each heat. Then cat heat, what is inside this heat. So you can see that it import 6, then importing shells dot import dot main, then it will just go invoking that main method. So this entry and this file is created by that pbr program. This pbr, where is the pbr? This pbr. So here is a documentation of pbr. Okay, let me go to the Jenkins console. So if you have any issues with this build process, you can also try, like, you can remove this. Actually, you can remove this workspace. Are you sure about to wiping out the workspace? Okay, so in that case it will remove the workspace. Okay, then run the build again. So if you run the build again, it will create the workspace back. You can see here, and it will also start the building process. Okay, that's success. That puts, so you can see the logos here. Back to page. So here you will get the latest build, latest package. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching this video.